Hey you guys, this is Lucinda Carol. So this is going to be a quick video and a quick project. So I hope you feel inspired. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some foam dice, and there are 2 to a pack, and I actually got 4 all together with the project that I'm working on, but I got 4 all together. And I had some white apple barrel paint that I purchased from Walmart, and I went over the dice with 1 coat and I let it dry overnight, came back and done a 2nd coat. The 1st coat would have really been sufficient, but you know, some of the little dots were still shining through, so I actually just kind of layered a 2nd coat really just on top of the little circles so that it wouldn't bleed through. But overall I was really satisfied how it dried. I was afraid that the dice, the foam, would actually absorb the paint, and it didn't, so I was really happy. So the end result is that I've done XOXO for Valentine's, and I'm adding these to a project that I'm working on. The XOXO I actually printed out. Just typed in XOXO. I had some black vinyl paper that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I cut them out, and this is the end result. I really do like the way this project ended up. I actually did, you can tell that I went over it with some little blacks with a dry brush, and I used some apple barrel black paint just to give it so it wouldn't just look solid white. I think it really turned out pretty neat. So again, I am pairing this project with something else that I'm putting together for a friend of mine. So I hope this project inspired you to go to crafting. I hope you have a blessed evening. God bless.